black screen. Okay, if your OBS Studio is not working properly, it should be looking like that, a black screen. And in this video, I'm to give you the solution for that. Hopefully it worked for you guys, but at least it worked perfectly great for me. And so let's get started. Okay, first, go to your control panels. I will search for it. Okay, control panel. Okay, just click on that control panel, and then go to the system and security, followed by the system there, and go look at your system types. Alright, it should be 64 bits. And yeah, the OBS Studio is working for 64 bits software system. And after that, go right click on the OBS Studio app and go find the open file locations. Okay, then go search for the logo OBS, right click on it, click on the properties, and go for the compatibility. And yeah, after that, click on that, run this program, blah blah blah, and adjust the window 8 to Windows 7. Right, after that, just click on the run this program as administrations, apply it, and click OK on it. And it's really close. Alright, almost done. Now right click and go to your NVIDIA control panels. Alright, it's loading. Oh god, it's taking a while. Alright, be patient. And after that, click on the manage 3D settings, and then go for the program settings. Alright, so it's going to take a while, just wait for it, just be patient. Okay, it's taking too long. Alright, okay, then you just select a program to customize there, click on that and find your OBS program files. And yeah, it should look like that, OBS program files. If not, just edit in. Okay, then go to the select preferred graphic processor, blah blah blah, and integrated graphics, use it and applied it. It took a while to applying for that, and after that everything should be working. Alright, it should be working. Just click on that OBS Studios. Okay, yeah, it did work. Okay, if it really worked for you, please do subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching.